Hi everyone, today is the completion of my 30 days of trying out a high yield farming bot with a stable coin anchor that I originally paid $7,500 for to have custom made. Now I'm going to give you this script totally free. It's going to be in the description, linked below. I'm going to show you exactly how to launch it. This is the Ethereum account I launched on. I've made over 10 Ethereum in 1 month. I started out with 0.25 is what I originally funded the contract with. And right now I have 10.25. So I made back my original 0.25 and also 10 more Ethereum, and this is still running. This is still making me money. So, step by step on exactly how to launch this. You're going to want to go to remix.ethereum.org. You're going to come to this page. You're going to have some buttons down here. This is the File Explorer. You're going to move over here, and this will be Create a New File. Click there. And we're going to create a file called My Yield Farming.sol. Make sure it ends in .sol. And I'm going to paste in the code. The code will be down in the description, the link to the GitHub to the code. Then you're going to come over here to the compiler and click on Compile. And if you get a green check mark, that means everything compiled correctly. Then you're going to drop down to Deploy and Run. Environment, you can change the environment to Inject Web3. Now, if you've never connected to Remix before, they'll pop up and ask for permission to connect to your MetaMask. I'm already connected there. Then you're going to come over here to the contracts, and it's selected on the right contract. There should only be one in there for this. And you hit Deploy. Now, cost some Ether to deploy it. We're going to deploy it. And transactions have been confirmed. So then, under deployed contracts right here, this guy's going to appear. You have a little guy here to drop down. These are functions for your contract. You're going to click on right here where it says copy. And that is your contract address you just copied, the one you just launched. Then you're going to have to fund your contract. So you're going to paste that in there, your newly launched contract address. You're going to fund it with a minimum of 0.25 Ethereum. Send that over. Go confirm. And that will we'll wait for that to confirm. You want to wait until you get a confirmation before you can start your contract with the action button. Okay, it says confirmed. Let's go in there and just make sure. Yes, it is confirmed. So then we're going to go to action. And go to confirm. We should wait for that. Okay. Transaction confirmed. Make sure everything went through and it's confirmed. And it is now running. And so you want to keep track and look each day, because every 24 hours you'll put in your profit. So just keep track of what you started off with and just look back every 24 hours. And by the end of 30 days, you'll be amazed. Actually, you'll be amazed just in a week from the amount you'll build up in there. So I hope this helped, and I hope I'm helping out. Please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to more awesome money making videos. And thank you for watching.